Hey guys, what's up? It's me Jaytee and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be reviewing the new Clifton Guitars A-Series ukulele. So by the way, this video is sponsored by Clifton Guitars, and if you're interested with this instrument, which I'll be showing it to you later, then I will leave the purchase link on the description box below. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. So the Clifton Guitars A-Series promotes the no frills, just tone movement. So what does that movement actually mean? Now let's first define the meaning of frills. Now frills are extra things that are added to something to make it more pleasant or more attractive but are not necessary. Okay? So, hindi talaga siya like importante or kailangan sa isang bagay. Now, in today's market, several guitar manufacturers would spend hundreds to thousands of dollars in order to add intricate inlays, exotic bindings, magnificent rosettes to their high-end instrument, thus putting these premium tone instruments out of reach for most musicians. So, Clifton Guitars decided to remove all unnecessary frills from these instruments while leaving out the tone improving ones, and thus the company could provide to you a more premium tone instrument at a very affordable no frills prices. So I'll be inserting a short unboxing montage to see what's inside the box. So this is the Clifton Guitars A-Series ukulele in the concert size, and by the way, this ukulele comes in two different types of wood. So they have it in spruce and they also have it in mahogany. So etong sa akin is mahogany, and as you can see, there are no frills in this ukulele. It's very simple, it's very elegant, and it's very minimalist yung design. So this is the front portion of the ukulele. This is the fretboard, and this is the headstock. Ayan, tuning knobs, and meron siyang lalagyanan ng strap ito, and this is the back portion, sides, and the other side of the ukulele. So let's try to play some songs with the Clifton A-Series ukulele in order to test the sound quality of this instrument. Baby, you're like lightning in a bottle. I can't let you go now that I got it. Electric love. So that's it for our unboxing and review of the Clifton Guitars A-Series ukulele. So by the way, this ukulele retails for only 1,989 pesos, and you can buy this one sa official stores ng Clifton Guitars sa Lazada and sa Shopee. So again, if you're interested to buy this instrument, then I will leave the purchase link on the description box below. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and let me know on the comment section below your thoughts about the Clifton A-Series ukulele. And of course, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Bye!